everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady. Today I am going to show exactly how easy it is to plant one of my favorite heirloom tomatoes directly in a bag of soil cube. So I've opened the bag and I've rolled back the plastic, and now I'm just loosening the soil with my hands, making sure that it's not too compacted because it's been transported in this bag. I don't want the tomato roots to have any difficulty. Remember, tomatoes are the divas of the vegetable garden. Now in this bag, I'm going to plant a duo. This is one of my all-time favorite varieties of heirlooms that I have always kind of failed with. This is COSTOLUTO GENOVESE, and it's a bright red ribbed slicer that makes the most beautiful BLT. So I'm hoping by planting it this way, I'm gonna have better success. I've got this bag off the ground on a brick to ensure that root knot nematodes can't get up in. And my next step when I get mulch is I'll add mulch to this and I'll water it in. Well, this was definitely one of the easiest things that I have ever done in the garden. I look forward to sharing updates with you on my 2 heirloom tomatoes in a 1 cubic foot soil cube bag. Thanks for watching, and for more garden inspiration, subscribe to Bree the Plant Lady.